Holding the echoes of me and you. This won't